Mentally, can I normally just do what you feel like, just listen to your heart and wear what you feel comfortable in, and you feel confident in yourself. There's no need to follow any trend or any kind of fashion statement or any style icon. I think what is important is to be yourself and to feel comfortable being who you are.
Well, of course, that's a huge thing. Anyway, any youngsters watching that, you need to take a pen and paper, be who you are, and I think these are the Kamyabi Garaz there, that you created way. And at this point in time, I'd like to call back on stage Mr. Wanga. Sir, it's a very important moment here. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear from Mr. Wanga. And we just spoke about the आज कितना खास दिन है. It's going to be a new brand. So, sir, please do the honors. Kanna, are you all set? Sir? Can we, we'll also give you an opportunity there as well. Can we get... Okay, we get that thing. Can you please get the possible... Talking about starting to unleash the new brand. So the largest watch manufacturers in the world